So from a new doctor's perspective, there's quite a robust support structure that goes into play when it comes to new people joining the health board. There is a very supportive induction program. It's a very robust program that extends from really simple topics to really complex mental health topics, and extends for a few weeks actually. Apart from this, there's a really active post-grad center, an extremely supportive SAS doctor network, not only mental health but also throughout the health board, which do let you settle into your job roles pretty easily.
So I started as an SAS doctor in this health board in 2007, and over the next 5 years I worked towards achieving my specialist register entry through CESR route. So throughout my time with Hywel Dda, the health board was very, very supportive. And now my role as a CSR lead for the health board is to continue that heritage of supporting doctors who want to go through this route. And we can assure that we will support the doctors in every aspect if they want to pursue this route.
I didn't have UK experience, so I started working as an SAS. Now, the fact that after 10 years of working here, I'm still an SAS doctor, I think tells a lot. I decided to make a balance in between my life and my career, and I decided to stay here as an SAS doctor.
I have been in the health board from the year 2008, and I have to say that I haven't regretted that decision because it gave me a good solid foundation.
So being here as a specialty doctor allowed me to be part of a family, allowed me to be near the patients, and allowed me to do my job.
And now these days, really, there's a lot of potential, a lot of things are happening, and I would strongly encourage anyone to take up the SAS posts because it does give you opportunities in unique ways.
As many or as little as you want to get involved in. There's approximately about 35 to 40 CPD points available per year. These include a range from independent internal and external courses and seminars, as well as the availability to do roles such as organisational leadership, clinical lead roles, appraiser roles, as well as clinical and educational supervisor roles.
It's a very, very friendly nature of the staff we work with. They are absolutely fantastic.
We work together, we party together, we argue, but do not become enemies.
And the lovely people, not only in the health board, but also generally the public, is amazing.
The geographical location of the health board, it's located in some of the beautiful part of the world. Absolutely stunning coastlines.
The sheer beautiful beaches that are around us, the extensive history that we have in this part of the world.
The fact that I could bring up my son in a safe place.
Yeah, recognition of my individuality.
How supportive the health board is in pursuing your dreams to progress in your career.
And the fact that here we are like a family.
At Hywel Dda University Health Board, we are absolutely committed to welcoming, supporting and developing all SAS doctors to enable them to be the best they can be. We have already delivered on most aspects of the SAS Charter, and we are passionate about ensuring our staff fulfil their potential and have a great work-life balance. If you are interested in hearing more about SAS doctor roles in Hywel Dda, please get in touch, as we would love to hear from you.